In today's video, I'm going to show you how to effectively use the star feature in Canva. Whether you're a longtime designer or someone who's just getting started, this small but powerful tool can help you stay organized and save time while working on your projects. Let's jump right in. First, open Canva and make sure you're logged into your account. You'll land on your homepage or dashboard where all your recent designs are displayed. Think of this as your personal gallery, a space filled with all the creative projects you've worked on. Now, take a look at one of your design thumbnails. As you hover your mouse over it, you'll notice a few small icons appear in the top corner. Among them is a little star icon. It might seem simple, but it's actually a very useful feature. When you click that star, you're marking the design as a favorite. It's like bookmarking it for quick access later. Canva will automatically move that project into a special section called Starred, which you can find on the left-hand side of your dashboard. This comes in handy if you're juggling multiple projects or working on client designs. Instead of scrolling through dozens of files trying to find your most important work, you can just go straight to your starred folder and see everything you've marked as a priority. It's also really useful when you collaborate with others. If you're part of a team, starring a design can signal that it's important or ready for review. This way, everyone can quickly identify the key projects without digging through shared folders. Over time, the star feature becomes like your personal highlight reel, a quick way to keep your best or most critical work in one place. Maybe you star designs that are waiting for feedback, your top performing social media templates, or projects that show off your evolving style. Whatever your reason, this feature helps you stay focused and organized without cluttering your workspace. Here's a quick tip. You can unstar a design anytime by simply clicking the star again. Canva will remove it from your starred section, so your favorites list always stays current. As you start using this feature regularly, you'll notice how much smoother your workflow becomes. You spend less time searching and more time creating. It's one of those small changes that can make a big difference in your day-to-day design process. So next time you're scrolling through your Canva dashboard, take a second to star your most important designs. It's a simple step that helps you manage your projects, highlight your best work, and bring more order to your creative space. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more Canva tips and tricks. Happy designing!